Hey everyone, I am not going to wear this mask. Hey everyone, it's me, Aiden, and today I'm going to show you how to make something new. It's the face mask. It's very easy. So since pandemic started, me and my mom were making face mask, and this is like the first mask we made. So I wanted to show you how to make it. So this is how it is. Here's another one. Let's start. To make the mask, you will need a cotton fabric of 38 by 23, and we use a t-shirt. You can use any cotton fabric or anything that's good for mask. So I told you size, so let's start. We're gonna fold this in half. You can iron it if you want. Now we're gonna sew it along this here and do it along this, and now we're gonna do it on top, and we're gonna leave a little gap here because when we're doing that, we're gonna make the bad side the inside and the good side out. So we're going to sew it along here and then there, and we're going to keep the gap here. So let's go sew. Mask is we're going to cut the 4 corners, which I've already done. And I remember when we sewed it to the gap, that's going to be a pocket. What we're going to do is we're going to take the good side out like that. Now I have done the reversing for that, so this is how it's supposed to look. If you have any problems with that, you can just check on that. So now after that, we're going to iron this, which I've done. And now we're going to take this and fold it a little and do that to the other side. And now you're going to sew it there. So here. And you're going to do with the other one, which is that. And then you sew. Now we're done with that. Now what we have to do is we have to, if you want, you can use elastic, which is going to be 20 centimeters. So, or else you can just use, you can cut off it from the t-shirt and just, yeah. And then you can just insert that in. Now I put the strap into the pocket we sewed with this. And also if you were using elastic, you can take the elastic, cut it into 23 centimeters. Put it in with this, and then when you get to the end, you can sew it over here. I'll show you in this. Okay, it's not in there. Got in. So yeah, if you were using the strap from the part of a cloth, then what you have to you can cut at any size because it's adjustable. You can tie it. So this is how it is. So yes, thanks for watching. Also, I'm gonna put a new video. It's going to about a mask. It's gonna the next mask we made, which we made a lot. It's kind of the same thing except it has a filter pocket. Here's one I used the strap, and here's the one with the elastic. So I'm gonna do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.